Hi everyone, my name is Rajashekar. Welcome to my channel. This video is a continuation of our previous video on broadcast DMX template, wherein I'm going to add lights to all the studios in this map and going to show you the process of it. This DMX template is compatible from Unreal Engine 5.3.1. Once you have downloaded my template, keep a copy of it. Install Chamsys Magic Cube PC if you haven't. Copy the BBC Chamsys show file to Documents, Magic Cube show folder. I'm placing lights in all three studios now. I'm moving them as groups. In that way it'll be easy, and then placing lights as required for the set. There are a lot of lights for the small set, but I have given the template as it is. You can reduce the lights as required. The lights will still trigger from Chamsys when you delete them or duplicate them. Let's use post-process volume to brighten up the scene a bit. I'm saving this as all studio map, meaning all the studios have light fixtures. Studio 1, 2 and 3 will have only one set of lights per studio. Speeding up the video as I place lights across two studios. Let's place 4 bookmark shots for the scene. I'm going to test light triggers from Chamsys, and I'm also going to cut shots using the bookmarks I created right now. You can notice the ring sharpie on the leftmost studio height is more, so we'll have to increase the distance of the ring sharpie some more. Wash also requires light distance to be increased, but I'm skipping that for now. Make sure to adjust light distance from details as required. Let's record the lights now into Unreal Engine using Take Recorder. People who are new to DMX and Unreal Engine and Chamsys, you can check this video on screen which I'm showing you right now. This is a complete workflow on Unreal Engine 5.3.1 and it covers all the steps which I'm showing you right now. Recording is done. The recorded sequence will be placed in RT's folder for reference. Let's open Recorded Level Sequencer and add camera angles. If you have camera angles which are going to repeat for the music, you can copy and paste those cuts to save time. Let's see the final output. Hope you all like this idea. This is the first time I'm showing you 3 different sets with a common light setup controlled by Chamsys. See you all soon on another video. I'm Rajashekar signing out. Take care. Bye.